Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, November 13th, 2024, we'll be diving deep into Meta stock, Meta, to uncover what the news and chart data are telling us about its potential movement. Let's start with the current market chatter. Recent headlines are buzzing about Meta's AI spending debate. Some investors are concerned about Meta's heavy investments in Reality Labs, which is still a small part of their overall sales. However, others are optimistic about Meta's future growth potential, citing the company's strong fundamentals and its position as the world's largest social media platform. Donald Trump's election to a second term may bring a lighter regulatory and antitrust enforcement environment, which could prove neutral for Meta overall. Meta recently reported Q3 results that exceeded top and bottom line estimates. Earnings gained 37% year-over-year to $6.03 per share, and sales increased 19% to $40.6 billion. However, Meta stock fell slightly following the earnings announcement and again in the day following the election. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that Meta has been on an upward trend since early October. The stock has formed a flat base pattern and has been trading between 602.95 and 555 since early October. Meta stock shows a 96 out of a best possible 99 IBD composite rating, according to the IBD stock checkup tool. This indicates strong bullish sentiment and a potential for further upside. Zooming in on the past month, we see that Meta has tested the 555 level twice, confirming its significance as a support level. The stock has since bounced back from this level and has been pushing higher. The recent drop following the election could be a buying opportunity for those who believe in Meta's long-term growth potential. However, the stock's failure to break through the 602.95 resistance level suggests that the bulls may need to overcome some challenges before a significant breakout occurs. Let's switch to the hourly chart to get a closer look at Meta's recent price action. Over the past 24 hours, we can see that Meta has been consolidating around the 580 level. The stock has been experiencing some volatility but has remained within a tight range. This consolidation suggests that the market is trying to determine the next direction for Meta. The 580 level appears to be acting as a strong support level, with the stock bouncing back from this level on several occasions. If we look at the 15-minute chart, we can see that Meta has been trading in a range between 583 and 585 for the past few hours. The stock has been bouncing between these two levels, creating a series of short-term swings. This type of price action can make it difficult for traders to identify a clear trend. However, the consolidation around these levels suggests that the market is still trying to determine the direction for Meta. Looking back at the daily chart, we see that Meta has broken through the 602.95 resistance level, which is a significant development. This breakout suggests that the bulls are gaining control and that Meta could be poised for further upside. The momentum is strong, and the stock is currently trading above the 21-day moving average. However, the recent consolidation around the 602.95 level could be a sign of profit-taking, and it's important to watch for signs of weakness. If the stock starts to pull back below 602.95, it could be a sign that the breakout was a false signal. Moving back to the hourly chart, we can see that Meta has now broken through the 585 resistance level. This breakout suggests that the bulls are gaining momentum and that Meta could be poised for further upside. The stock is currently trading above the 21-hour moving average, indicating strong bullish momentum. However, the recent consolidation around the 585 level could be a sign of profit-taking, and it's important to watch for signs of weakness. If the stock starts to pull back below 585, it could be a sign that the breakout was a false signal. Let's switch back to the 15-minute chart to see how Meta is reacting to the recent breakout. The stock is currently trading above the 21-minute moving average, which is a bullish signal. However, the stock is still consolidating within a tight range. This consolidation suggests that the market is still trying to determine the direction for Meta, and it's important to watch for signs of continuation or reversal. If the stock breaks above the 587 level, it could be a strong signal that the breakout is real and that Meta is poised for further upside. However, if the stock starts to pull back below the 585 level, it could be a sign that the breakout was a false signal. To summarize our analysis, Meta has been on an upward trend recently, driven by strong fundamentals and the potential for a lighter regulatory environment. The stock has shown strong support at the 555 level and has recently broken through the 602.95 resistance level. This suggests that the bulls are gaining control and that Meta could be poised for further upside. However, it's important to watch for signs of weakness, such as a pullback below the 602.95 level, as this could indicate that the breakout was a false signal. Key price levels to watch include 555, 602.95, and the 21-day moving average. A break above 602.95 would reinforce the bullish sentiment and suggest that Meta is poised for a significant rally. A pullback below 555 could indicate that the bulls are losing control and that Meta could be headed for a correction. It's important to stay alert and watch for signs of continuation or reversal.